Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn calculus easily. Start by ensuring your algebra and trigonometry skills are solid, as these form the bedrock. Focus on understanding the concept of limits, which is fundamental to both differential and integral calculus. Practice regularly with various problems to build confidence and reinforce your learning. Don't rush. Take your time to grasp each new idea thoroughly. Derivatives are all about understanding how things change at a specific moment. Think of it as finding the exact speed of a car at any given second. They are crucial for optimizing functions, like maximizing profit or minimizing cost. Mastering the basic differentiation rules, such as the power rule and the chain rule, is key to solving a wide range of problems effectively. Integrals allow us to sum up tiny pieces to find a total amount, like calculating the total distance traveled from a varying speed. They are essential for determining areas under curves, volumes of three-dimensional shapes, and even probabilities. The fundamental theorem of calculus beautifully links derivatives and integrals, showing they are inverse operations. Consistent practice will solidify your understanding. To truly master calculus, consistent practice is non-negotiable. Solve a variety of problems daily. Visualize the concepts using graphs and real-world scenarios to build intuition, which is often more helpful than just memorizing formulas. Don't hesitate to seek help from teachers or online resources when you encounter difficulties. Remember, persistence is your best tool for success. Also, for a smart home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.